Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unlock Facebook profile, and now let's dive right in. Now to unlock the Facebook profile, first open up your Facebook app, and from over here guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. At the top left corner of your screen you can see your profile picture icon. Just below the home icon, tap on your profile picture icon, and over here guys you can see the three dotted icons available just beside the edit profile. Tap on that three dotted icon, and over here guys you can see the unlock profile option available for us if you have locked your profile. So now in order to unlock your profile, simply tap on the unlock profile button over here and tap on unlock, and tap your unlock your profile again at the bottom of the screen and tap on OK. And with that being done guys, this is how to unlock Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.